I am so excited to have a pizza stone again. If you have never made pizza on a pizza stone, I highly recommend it. I actually bought this pizza stone to replace one that we've been using for over 20 years. When you take care of them, they can last for a really long time, but mine had a crack in it, so it was time to get a new one. This is a 15 by 12 rectangle pizza stone. It's actually good for round or rectangle pizzas. It comes with a wooden peel, which is the handle you see for moving your pizza onto the stone and off of the stone. This stone can actually be used in the oven or on the grill. This pizza stone is really easy to use. What you want to do is you want to preheat your oven with the stone inside. This is a very important step. You want this stone to be hot so that your dough does not stick to it. Normally what I do is I let my oven come to temperature and then I wait an additional 10 to 15 minutes just to be sure. I want to note that frozen pizzas do not work well on these. Putting a frozen pizza on the stone can shock it and cause it to crack, so stick with fresh pizzas or your own fresh made dough. After the stone has been preheated, place your pizza onto the stone and put it in the oven, usually about 5 to 8 minutes depending on the thickness of the crust. Just make sure to check it. And that's it! You will have a beautiful pizza that will taste better than anything you order for delivery. It makes crispy crust every time. Use the pizza peel to remove the stone from the oven. Remember, do not cut your pizza on the stone. Always remove it first. Also, embrace the stains of the stone. You should never wash this with soap. If you need to get old stuff off of it, you can just use a little bit of hot water and a sponge, but do it sparingly and always make sure to completely dry your stone and it will last a long time. If you love to make pizza at home, I highly recommend this stone.